Hello students, I am Arti Rakesh Suram. Today we are going to discuss grammar and in that our topic is articles. Students, can you tell me how many articles are there in English? Yes, there are 3 articles in English and these are a, and the. Now we will discuss how to place these articles in a sentence. Before going to discuss that, we have to discuss about alphabets, consonant and vowels. Yes, in English there are 26 alphabets and in that 21 are consonant and remaining 5 are vowels. Yes, which vowels are there? Yes, A, E, I, O, U, these are vowels. Now we will discuss how to use consonants and vowels while placing article a and an. Now we will discuss first article a. Yes, article a is used to mention the things in general. For example, now we will write down example. This is dash dash book. Yes, our example is this is dash dash book. Now I am mentioning about a book. Okay, I am mentioning about a book and that book is general. It means name of any book is not mentioned here. That's why this book is general. So we will place article a is here. Okay, this is a book and that book is general. That's why we are using article a. Now second thing, we are using article a before consonant sound. Consonant, yes, like B, C, D and remaining. These are consonant. For example, dash dash pen or dash dash doll. Okay, these are consonant. These words pen, doll, this begins with consonant. It means in pen P is consonant, in doll D is consonant and these are singular. Okay, these are singular. So we are using article a or a in this sentence or before pen or before doll. Okay, now let's move to the article an. Article an, when we have to use article an or where we have to place article an in a sentence. Yes, this is very simple. Now we all know how many vowels are there. Yes, there are 5 vowels in English and these are A, E, I, O, U. Yes, article an is used before a word which begins with vowel sound. For example, apple, second, elephant, next, ice cream, yes, next one, owl, and next, umbrella. If we see properly, we come to know that all these words begins with vowels and all these words are singular. Yes, before these words we can place article an. For example, an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, again an owl, and last one an umbrella. Remember just two things. First, article an is used before the word which begins with vowels, and that word should be singular. Okay. Now we will move the next articles, and that is article the. Yes, article the is used to mention the specific things. For example, article the is used to mention the specific things. For example, I have a book, and when I am mentioning the name of that book, that time that book is specific. For example, I have dash dash Bhagavad Gita. Yes, in this sentence we are mentioning the name of the book. That's why the book is specific. So before that word, before that book, we can mention article the. It means the Bhagavad Gita. If we are comparing this sentence with this word, for example, this is a book. Here is general book. We are not mentioning name of any book, so we are using a is here. But in this sentence, the specific name of the book is given, so we are using article the. Now, second thing, article the is used when we are mentioning anything second time. For example, I have dash dash apple and dash dash apple is sweet. I have dash dash apple and apple dash dash apple is sweet. In first we will write an, and second time we have to write article the, because we are discussing that one second time. So the apple is sweet. Okay. Next, article the is used before mountains, rivers, holy books, directions, then the things which are unique in the world, like Taj Mahal, then some monuments. Before going to discuss, or before that, we are using article the. Okay, it means we are using article a and the with the help of these rules, with the help of these things, a and the. Okay, thank you.